This may seem like a joke, but the Tecno Camon 30 series are going to set a new benchmark in the mid-range phone history. These phones are so impressive because not only are their specifications explosive on paper, but every high-end variant packs a unique upgrade over the previous one. There are 4 smartphones in this lineup: the Camon 30 4G, the Camon 30 5G, the Camon 30 Pro, and finally the Camon 30 Premier. Spoiler alert, the Camon 30 4G is kinda the highest spec budget phone I've ever seen, and moving up to the 30 Premier, it's an actual flagship. So we're kicking things off with the Camon 30 4G. Though it's the lowest end model in this series, its specs aren't low end. Its display is a 120Hz 1080p panel which will surpass 1000 nits of brightness. It's powered by the average performing MediaTek Helio G99, and though it's on the lower end, it has impressive Antutu and Geekbench scores to its name. There's a 5000 mAh battery with 70W fast charging, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, as well as a 50MP resolution camera which run across the 4 phones in this lineup. And I'm excited because though the lower end models have low resolution helpers, there's at least a 50MP main camera and a 50MP selfie camera. The Tecno Camon 30 5G brings some unique add-ons. There's now an IR blaster for TV control, a dual color temperature selfie flash which I think is meant to give you different lighting shades. This phone brings a new chip called the Dimensity 7020, also from MediaTek, which allows it to support 5G, and that means it's a more powerful chip, which makes it 1.2 times faster than the 4G variant. The Camon 30 Pro brings even more upgrades to the table. Its display brings a crazy 144Hz refresh rate, so I think that's more of a selling point than anything practical, citing the fact that if you put this 144Hz display side by side to a 120Hz panel, you would struggle to see the difference. The Camon 30 Premier's display in itself is miles ahead because of one important thing, but I'm getting there. There's also a 15MP ultra wide camera on this Pro variant, and it will mean amazing ultra wide shots and even better macro shots, which will definitely perform better than those auxiliary AI lenses which I don't really understand. And that's not all. There's a new chip on board called the Dimensity 8200 Ultra, which is the top of the line mid-range chip, and this chip allows this phone to support 4K video recording. In power, it's 3 times faster than the Camon 30 5G, powered by the Dimensity 720, and almost 4 times faster than the Camon 30 4G. Moving up to the Camon 30 Premier, I can see this is the closest I think Tecno Camon series have gotten to being flagship. Yes, this Camon 30 Premier runs on the same Dimensity 8200 Ultra chip as the Pro, but it's a better phone in every aspect possible. This display, for example, is the first time I'm seeing a mid-ranger adopt LTPO tech. So despite the fact that it's 120Hz, the 120Hz can self-scale to adapt to what you are watching. If you are scrolling, it will be at a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, but once you reach a static area, it jumps down to 10Hz, which saves battery. The display is also 1.5K, which is a resolution that sits between Full HD and Quad HD, which is extremely sharp and crisp. There's also a new 50MP 3x telephoto camera, which is capable of 60x hybrid zoom. At MWC 2024, Tecno hinted a lot of the features that the Camon 30 Premier will have, which included the AI erasing features which we saw on the Google Pixel series, the upgrades of the AI assistants, and just everything to make these better phones. They are rumored to be released from between April to June, so I can't wait to see what they can actually do. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Hilary, this is Harry21, and I'll catch you in the next one.